This tutorial is to help you insert a fill-in-the-blank question into your assignment. First, log into your account, open up the assignment, click the drop-down box to insert a fill-in-the-blank question. Click fill in the blank, click the Add Question button. Here, you can insert your question prompt. There are a few items that you can set in a fill-in-the-blank style question. Here, you have a settings, expand, and collapse box. There are multiple fill-in options here. That means you have multiple answer keys that you need to insert. You also have a method to change the type of marker you want to use. Anywhere that you place a marker is where you will insert the answer. When I remove those markers, those blanks disappear. When I reinsert the marker, the blank is inserted. And so now you have multiple blanks. If I insert a third one, a third blank is inserted. Here you type in the key for answer 1, blank 1, answer 2, blank 2. Next, when you have a marker in line, you can change this marker as needed, as mentioned. The box will be placed on the student view in those spots. If you had a question and you do not put an inline marker on the student view, a text box will appear under the question. Next, you have the ability to color code blanks while typing. What that will look like is when the student answers incorrectly, it turns red, or correctly, it turns green. The student view is more advanced. This is a teacher preview. Incorrect turns red, and correct turns green. That is what the color guidance allows you to do. You can also show a word count to students. If you have a translation, for example, that you are having them translate, I type in the question, the answer key, I select show word count to students. When they are in their translation, there is a word count there. Ignore punctuation if I'd like to. I can also make it grading case sensitive. I can then preview. Anything incorrect is red, and what's correct is green. And now case sensitive is not counting, nor punctuation. You can add alternate answers. There are multiple ways of saying boys in Spanish, so you can add those alternatives. And then you can also use this as an answer only option by removing the prompt box, which means you have a question somewhere else and you're using AulaViva as your answer sheet. And students would only type in the answers in AulaViva and grade through AulaViva in that case. You can upload an audio. You can load from your AulaViva saved files, which is on the left side in the side panel. You can insert a Google link for a file you have previously saved, or you can record an audio, testing 1, 2, 3. That will insert an audio preview, testing 1, 2, 3, and you can update the point value. This is how you insert a fill-in-the-blank question and adjust the settings to your liking in AulaViva.